What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys have seen, I have gotten a new iPad in the recent weeks, and I need a case for that iPad. On Amazon, I know that the 2018 cases for the iPad Pros do not fit it because of the way the camera cutout is. So on Amazon right now, this is like one of the highest reviewed cases right now, probably like at 500 reviews when I bought it, and it is the ESR protective tablet case, and I got it for 15 bucks in the black version, I believe. They had a whole bunch of other colors, but this one was the cheapest one, and it seemed like it would work the best. So let me just take it out. So you basically just get the case itself, and it does have several different viewing angles, which is the reason why I got it, and because of the overwhelmingly positive reviews that this particular case got. Because I could have gotten a cheaper version, but the reviews weren't as good. So you get your standard whatever, like pamphlet or like thanking you, and you got your like little instruction guide. I believe this one does allow for the pencil to be charging, and it basically just tells you how to remove and install the tablet, which I don't think we need too much help with, but let me just try doing it. So I have my iPad here, and as we all know, the iPad is a huge device, and I didn't think it was gonna be that big, but let's see. So that's in there this way, and it's in there this way. Pretty good click, I guess. And that's basically it for it. Let's see if the sleep wake function. So let's see if it'll wake it up. Yes, it does. So that's pretty neat. Let's see the viewing angles. Let me open this up. Whoops. I have an update. So you can have several different viewing angles. You can have like that. Let me show you sideways, like that, or what was the other way? I think it's just literally like that, because this one doesn't work as good. But you can have it like that. That's good for your watching TVs on bed or on a desk, or I think on your lap as well. It would fit pretty good. Let's see how the pencil does. So I got the pencil here. See if it connects to it. I think it's the other way. Yeah, so pencil connects. Let's see if it'll close with it, because that's a big feature that I wanted it to have. And yes, it does. It protects the pencil right there. It closes with it and continues to wirelessly charge. And as you guys can see, the Apple logo is still somewhat transparently visible, and the camera cutout is perfect right there. So as for the top, all this is protected by the case right here. No, nothing is exposed. It's all rounded and cornered very well. You have over here, it's also very well protected. The whole area is protected. You do have a cutout for your USB-C charging for your thing. I don't think you could use a USB-C dongle when you're using this case though, because I have one and I don't think it would stick out as much. So you would need like mine isn't one of those where you plug it in and it has a cord. Mine is just like a plug in and it's already attached to it. But if you have one of those where it's like a cable that attaches to a USB hub, then it would probably work. But other than that, for what was it, 14 bucks, I'm very satisfied with well, that was weird. Let's see how that works again. All right, so the pencil's on. So you unstrap it. Oh, I just did it really quickly, I guess. It doesn't, it would rip it off if I did it too fast. But yeah, other than that, I really enjoy this case. What other viewing angles is there? Let's see if we can do like, I guess we could do like this. Yeah, you can have like a ramp sort of. If you're drawing or writing, that would also work out. And you have your standard one, which is the one in the back. Here, let me open it. You have your standard one, which would basically just be like you fold this one like that, and I think the magnets hold on to it. Yeah, the magnets help each other. So, and it seems pretty sturdy because, wait, how did I do it wrong? There you go. You go like that, and you hear it click, and there you go. It's pretty sturdy. Like, it does bend, but it is just like a little fold stand, so it is pretty strong for what it does. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want a link to buy it, I'll leave it down in the description below. It was like 14 bucks. I shipped with Prime, so pretty quickly. Not a bad case for the price. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be doing one for a screen protector as well. That is sort of like Paper-like. Not Paper-like, the brand, but sort of like Paper-like on Amazon. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Peace.